Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the stream until 100 MEXC token. So that is obviously means stream until $100 million market cap token. Ticker symbol is live. Now this is a Solana meme coin. It's doing very well. It just came out under 24 hours ago. It is trending number 8 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. They're not at $100 million market cap, but they do have $146.4 million 24-hour trading volume. And they also just got a new central exchange listing announcement pop up here on Twitter. So they got a central exchange listing. They're doing very well. They're up over 13,000% in the past 24 hours. And we're going to go over the information on the stream until 100 MEXC token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. And you can find this token on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. Those are all great places to see the price and the chart. And just today on X.com on Twitter, it was announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing today, November 22nd, 11 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on xt.com. So if you don't have an XT account, one way to get this token would be to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would go into the trade section after you fund your account with USDT, and you would search the ticker symbol live in the spot trading zone, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you say xt.com is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you could also get this token in a decentralized way by buying the token off of a central exchange, a decentralized exchange like Raydium. So first of all, you would need a Solana wallet, a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. Real easy to find it there at Livestream Coin on X. And you can see they also have a link to the Kick stream right there, kick.com /livestream guy, if you want to check out this guy's channel here on Kick, which is I believe it's Amazon owns Kick. Don't quote me on that, but it's like a live streaming thing like Twitch, or I mean YouTube. You could live stream everywhere. You could live stream nowadays, Instagram, you name it. But yeah, Kick, I think it's Amazon, but don't quote me on that. And then they have a link to the webpage right there, livestreamcoin.xyz. But yeah, that's a real easy place to find the contract address. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium. And the token could also be available on Jupiter, Orca, Meteora, which are other Solana dexes. Now you can see their Twitter is brand new. They just joined November 2024. 5,551 followers already, 46 posts. And yeah, so in their pinned tweet, it also has it actually has a donation wallet, it says there. It says 24,000 believers in 24 hours. So let's see how many holders they got. They do have 24,000 holders. So it says 23,569 on Dex Tools and Dex Screener, but I'm sure if you check the updated like Soul Scan, it'll tell you that it is around 24,000 there. And so yeah, this guy has a Telegram as well at Stream100M that has 2,523 members. Over 1,000 of them are online right now, so that's going to be a great place to join the discussion. And if you click on their website on Dex Screener, it actually takes you over to a pump.fun page where it shows this guy live streaming, which is kind of cool. And it's got a little timer there, and it looks like he's been streaming for almost 24 hours now. So, yeah, I mean, that's cool that this guy thought of this idea here. I mean, it's a clever idea, especially if you're already like a popular streamer. This token is up 14,500% in the past 24 hours, and this token only came out 23 hours, 4 minutes ago. They have a quick audit here. They also have a community takeover claim, which is strange here. Community took this token over November 21st, it says. And it says community claim, I am the streamer. So the guy, I guess, who made the community claim is the live streamer. So, interesting. Then it says here that they have a market cap right now of $14.5 million. So they do have a long way to go. They got to like at least 8x or 7x that at least to get to $100 million market cap. But we'll see. It's only the first 24 hours, so we'll see what happens here. They are still trending. They're trending number 8 right now. They have $937,000 worth of market cap, worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 99.86% of that total Raydium liquidity is locked and burned. And token price right now is about 1.52 cents per token. And that's obviously going to fluctuate because this is a super popular token. So yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the live token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.